is the lack of affection. It's like affection is such a foreign principle in our families. It's so foreign. Like when you see our white counterparts, every time they speak on the phone, even in movie or whatever, hello, okay, before they hang up, we say, I love you. Hi, mom, I love you. But rarely in our traditional African societies, we embrace affection. You don't give each other hugs. You don't tell your kids that you love them. You don't even hug them. And then the first time they start experiencing that with an outsider, they start depending on them with everything that they have. Mm-hmm. And you lose your child to the outside world without even knowing it. So let's try to bring affection back into the African homes, into the African communities. And tell your kids that you love them, check on them, have dinner with them, know your kids. Just taking them to school or universities is not good enough. You have to check on them. Check on them, know who they're hanging out with, because their circle is who they are. Their circle is what shapes their decision, everything.
Ngakho enye into ubaba uyibona kakhulu ukuthi thina sizwe esimdabu ukuthi asinaso isandla esimfutho esifudumele kakhulu